Spring Maintenance Tips Part 2. Annually, cleaning and testing your smoke detectors is vital for early fire detection and safeguarding your family and home. Regular maintenance ensures they function properly when you need them most. Every 6 months, testing your GFCIs is crucial, especially in areas exposed to water, like kitchens and bathrooms. This simple step can prevent dangerous electrical shocks and maintain your home's electrical safety. An annual deep clean of your windows and tracks not only enhances your home's natural light and appearance, but also prevents operational issues and water damage. It's a proactive approach to maintaining your home's integrity. With spring's arrival, it's time to turn your hose bibs back on. Checking for leaks after the winter season helps avoid water waste and potential damage, ensuring your outdoor water sources are ready for use. Early spring is ideal for applying lime to your lawn, correcting soil acidity, and fostering nutrient uptake. This step kickstarts your lawn's growth, ensuring it's lush, healthy, and vibrant for the upcoming seasons.